Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Cadillac certified 2017 Cadillac XT5 Premium Luxury all-wheel drive, stock number Z7406XX. 14,000 miles on this XT5, comes to us with a clean auto check history report. To be Cadillac certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 4-year, 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Dark granite metallic in color. It's a very safe vehicle as well. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, and power liftgate for convenience. Lots of storage space in the rear with a removable privacy cover. Rear seats can be folded from the rear as well, with a pull of a handle on either side. And of course, very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This premium luxury has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, adjustable power liftgate, 14-speaker Bose sound system, power seats with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, puts you in that perfect driving position, oversized panoramic moonroof. Large, easy-to-read gauges. This XT5 has advanced safety features like forward collision alert, cruise control, leather-wrapped steering wheel which is heated, great for those cold winter days, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, large touchscreen Q infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. Navigation. Dual-zone automatic temperature control. Redundant controls for heating and air conditioning, along with heated as well as cooled front seats, keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. 8-speed automatic transmission. All-wheel drive lock, giving you the greatest capability in inclement weather. Wireless cell phone charging and USB and auxiliary input. Large glove box, all the owner's materials. Overhead, Homelink transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof and power sunshade control. Under the hood, this XT5 has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 310 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 26 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that Cadillac certification, protecting your investment. For more information about this XT5, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.